My name is Stanley Bowling, and I am a board-certified orthopedic surgeon with the Kansas City Orthopedic Alliance. I began the practice of orthopedic surgery in 1999. As a general orthopedic surgeon, I have a subspecialty interest in orthopedic trauma and fracture care with a focus on shoulder and lower extremity. I graduated from medical school from the University of Kansas School of Medicine. From there, I attended the University of Nebraska Creighton University Health Foundation Orthopedic Residency Program in Omaha, Nebraska. In college, I played varsity tennis and still am an avid tennis player participating in multiple local tennis leagues. I also enjoy riding bikes with my wife. I have 2 children, a son and a daughter. One of the ways that my family and I like to give back to the community is by supporting the Blue Valley Education Foundation. Supporting public education has always been important to my family. I grew up in a small western Kansas farming community, and that life instilled in me a strong work ethic. My father, who was a carpenter, taught me multiple skills that I am able to utilize in my practice of orthopedic surgery. My hometown family physician was a mentor of mine, and I try to integrate caring for the entire patient into my orthopedic practice. Orthopedic care means answering my patients' questions, tailoring treatment plans to individual needs, and using conservative, non-operative treatment whenever possible. I am something of a perfectionist with an optimistic outlook on life. I approach problems in a systematic fashion, whether working with a trauma patient or in the field of sports medicine. My goal is to help the injured patient get back to an active, productive life. The diverse subspecialties represented at KCOA mean all manner of orthopedic issues can be conveniently treated by one organization. If you have any questions about the Kansas City Orthopedic Alliance, contact our offices. It would be our honor to care for you. You can find me at the KCOA offices in Leawood as well as St. Luke's Medical Plaza.